Happy Friday! Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about these short but very cute press-on nails for a friend, and they were a freestyle, so let's get into it. So the first couple nails I'm showing you are these blue nails. I was kind of inspired by like the ocean, and my friend and I were talking about like ocean nails, and they gave me like the idea to do like a pearlescent blue nail. So I thought I would add this in the set, and I've seen like on Japanese nail artist accounts and like Korean nail artist accounts where they do nails like this, where they have like the texture of the gel that looks like waves kind of, and sometimes they like outline certain stuff with like a thick line of gel. So I wanted to recreate that, so I'm using some Apex gel from Jellyfique. They don't have a crystal clear, I don't think, or at least it was sold out or something, but I just used this and then I painted over it with blue, and then I added top coat in the chrome. This design is really easy. I would just say like make sure you do like 2 coats of gel before you add the lines of gel on top. I think I only did 1 on this nail, and this is probably, I don't think this is the nail that ended up like in the final product. I think I ended up redoing it because it wasn't opaque enough for me, but yeah, I really like doing this nail. And then after that I'm gonna add some glitter on there. I just mix some glitter and some top coat and I apply it on. These green nails that I'm doing are inspired by like taxidermy with bugs. My friend also really likes taxidermy, and I knew I had some butterfly stickers that I just got from Nail Heaven that were like a free gift, so I had to include these in there. So first I'm putting the butterflies in the center of the nail, and then I'm going to outline them with some caviar. That process actually took me a really long time because I'm such a perfectionist, and I had to make sure that it was like even shapes, especially the squares. The squares were the hardest. For this set, I was really inspired by this nail artist I follow. I will add the name on the screen and also a photo of a couple of their posts. I really love their nails. They do a lot of short nails, and I'm not like a short nail person at all. Like, if you know, I mean, hello, like I don't post about short nails, but I really love their designs. They're like really simple but also very extra in a way. I don't know how to explain it, and it's like a crossover of like my favorite things but in short nails, so you should definitely check their Instagram out. So here they are in their little frames, ready to move on to the next step. Now I'm painting around the frame with some pearl gel polish. This is called Pearl, I believe, from Jellyfique. And then after that I'm going to add some stars, some black stars. It really looks the best on the thumb, I feel like. This nail is so small, but I think on the thumb, since there's so much more space, it just looks so much better. I just can't explain it. And then in the center where the butterfly is, I'm gonna add some clear hollow glitter with some top coat, the same like kind of mix that I did for the blue nail. I just wanted to add like some nice pretty shiny effect in there. Okay, of course, these pink nails are my favorite. I did 2 coats of pink jelly polish, and then what I didn't show is that I added a coat of the lighter pink rainbow dust gel from Jellyfique. I don't know why I didn't film that, but anyway, now I'm making some 3D hearts, some 3D acrylic hearts. I am on a kick with these. I just made like a bunch of molds with a lot of my 3D stuff, so I'm really into this now. But I'm just filling them up with some cute pink glitter so that they have some nice reflex, and I put a little star and a heart in each of them, and they are so cute. Just wait till you see them, and they really look cute when they're top coated. This one is my favorite. It's just so pink. Okay, so now I'm applying them on the nails with some acrylic. I thought this would be better because the hold would be stronger. Acrylic is so strong. Like, I've done like a test where I stuck like a spike on a nail with acrylic, and like I was hitting it on stuff and it wasn't moving at all. I just needed to see the strength, and acrylic is very strong, so it works. And now when I say this is like a freestyle, I'm so serious. This was a freestyle. Like, I was sitting here figuring out like what the hell I was gonna do with these pink nails, and I saw some jump rings that I had, and I was like, oh, okay, maybe I can do something with that because I'm piercing these nails too. So I just thought I would incorporate that in the design, and that's that. And I put some little stars and hearts in there. They're really, really small, so you probably can't see them, but you'll see them in the results. And now for these purple nails, I'm basically doing the same thing, but this one I'm painting the darker pink rainbow dust on top. And then with the uncured gel, I'm gonna add in some glitter. I'm adding those black hearts and some gold butterflies to tie in like the taxidermy thing. And I want to mention that these glitters are really, really hard to encapsulate, kind of. For me, what I like to do is after I cure them on in that coat of gel, then I will go over them with bling gel to make sure that they're like sealed and that there's no parts of them like sticking up necessarily, like the actual glitter. I'm not I don't have a problem with the gel sticking up. It's just the actual like piece itself, like the sequin. I don't want it sticking out. I don't want it coming out of the top coat or anything like that. So I cover it in bling gel, and then I make sure to be extra generous when I top coat. And same thing with like the gold pieces. I top coat them extra well so that they won't turn as fast, at least for those septum looking pieces. Those might turn, so I just try to be extra cautious. And here they are in all their glory. Once again, I really love these nails. Probably one of the most unique sets I've done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload next week. Bye bye.